You know how you just get into like a mode where you just eat the same thing over and over again? So I've been trying to find something new and different that I like, and this is it. We got the white rice, baked potatoes. I'm so into the shrimp from Whole Foods. Like, it's really unmatched. They're so big and fresh. So ever since I started eating the shrimp from Whole Foods, like, I won't get shrimp from anywhere else. And we have a little green onion, regular onions, garlic. This was one of my last nights in my old apartment. I had to hurry up and like pack up everything. So I decided that I was gonna cook my favorite meal before I had to pack everything up, and this is what that is. You want to be careful with your shrimp. You don't want to cook them for too long because you're still going to bake them with the fish. So just maybe like 2 or 3 minutes at the most. So I decided to make like a stuffed whitefish meal. You really can use whatever fish you like if you like salmon, catfish, whatever fish you like. But I prefer more of like a white fish, like sea bass, flounder, tilapia, fishes like that. And a lot of different vegetables here that I'm gonna go ahead and use for the stuffing. I have garlic, green onion, bell peppers. So we're gonna just cut all of this up and put it together. And I did move into my new apartment, I think the next day after I made this meal. So you guys are gonna see me in my new apartment after this. Make sure you guys go check out my apartment tour if you haven't seen it already. And I also have some white rice to add on the side. You can use brown rice, it still tastes really good. Trying to find this sauce for the stir fry. It's supposed to be really good, but I don't know if I see it. But I think I found it, and I think it's the last one. So I was trying to decide some healthier options to eat for the week. By the time I was done grocery shopping, I really just did not feel like doing anything else. I think I had like 2 other store runs to make. So I just picked up some Benihana, the hibachi shrimp lunch. It's pretty gloomy outside, but I woke up early this morning. Like, I'm so proud of myself. But today I did decide to get up early. I want to make breakfast. I feel like whenever I don't eat breakfast in the morning, I don't have as much energy as I would like to have. But yeah, so proud of myself today for just being able to get up. So we're gonna eat breakfast. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Don't forget to subscribe. So for breakfast, I decided to make some blueberry waffles, and we have some organic eggs here. Today I felt like making what we got from the grocery store. So for dinner I'm making like a shrimp and vegetable stir fry. I have all of my vegetables here: yellow and bell pepper, onion, garlic, mushrooms, broccoli, snap peas. You can add carrots if you want. And then they also make this like flatbread. If anyone has had this, it's so good. And I always add like a lemon butter sauce. We have some rice, but I like to make my sauce that I'm gonna use for the vegetables first. So I'm gonna use this teriyaki that we got, just a little bit of this, grapeseed oil, lemon, and garlic to make the sauce first. I feel like once I add this to everything, it helps the taste. It just tastes a lot better with this sauce. One of my favorite restaurants at home in Chicago is called Flat Top Grill, and you can like make your own stir fry. So that's what I'm gonna try to recreate. I do still like to cook the sauce a little bit. I'll bring it to a boil and then just like let it simmer. It doesn't take long. I like to add this just on top of rice, and then you can save it, store it if you want. I tried this new frap. It is a strawberries and cream frappuccino. It's really good. Definitely like a new fave of mine. I'm making a quick little lunch snack. We got some Tostitos scoops, barbecue sauce, Sweet Baby Ray's. That's the only barbecue sauce I use. So good. Shrimp, cheese, mozzarella, and cheddar. You can use whatever cheese you like. So I put all of the Tostito chips in here to cover the whole bottom of the pan. I usually have tomatoes. I didn't have any tomatoes, but you definitely can add more vegetables if you want. I had some shrimp left over, so I just decided to make this as like a quick lunch meal. And I do a layer of this and then repeat the same thing for your next layer. You can add sour cream, whatever else you want. I'm gonna make the hot and juicy type of sauce first. So I have all of the seasonings that I'm gonna use here. I have garlic and onions in here, butter. And I'm gonna mix all of that together first before I even start making the crab legs. This meal does take me a little while to make, only because I don't have like all of the gadgets that you need, like the food processor and stuff, just to speed up cutting the vegetables and things like that. So definitely gonna go ahead and invest in some of those tools just so that I don't have to take as long. But when I tell you all, like, this is one of my favorite meals to eat. The end result is so good. Like, this is definitely by far one of my favorite meals. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up if you want more vlogs from me. Guys, my new Los Angeles apartment. This is an empty apartment tour. I did start this video off just by showing you all a little bit of my old apartment, which was my very first apartment when I moved to LA. I definitely had a lot of great memories at that apartment.